Hey, wait, is homeopathy just placebo? Are we missing something? As a student of homeopathy, I have seen people come not just with disease, but with fear, pain, and hope. And sometimes, what they need is not just a drug, but a gentle approach that listens, understands, and heals them as a whole. One cold, but two people feel it differently, right? Then why should the medicine be the same for everyone? That's why homeopathy offers individualized approach for everyone. And people think homeopathic medicines acts very slowly, but in reality it acts super fast. The homeopathic medicines not only for chronic cases, it also act very well in acute cases too. Yes, every system has its place. In emergency, we need immediate and strong medical care. But not every illness is an emergency, right? So instead of judging, try to understand where each system fits best. Because medicine is not just about curing disease, it's about caring for the person. And treat the person, not the disease. Instead of asking which system is better, maybe we should ask what does this patient truly need? Because healing is always not about strong medicines. Sometimes healing can be gentle, sometimes the less is more. Heal naturally with homeopathy. Thank you.